What's up, y'all? CA Pate back with another video. In this video, I just wanted to talk about this jockey shifter that goes to the Ryker. I really like this jockey shifter a ton, people. This thing, when I used to have to reach down or kick my foot back, so let's say this little piece right here, when I used to have to reach my foot down there and like kick it back or kick it forward, I used to mess up like the back of my shoes. I used to hate it. Man, so when they came out with this jockey shifter, the thing's only like, a little over 200 bucks or whatever. I was the first person to get it as soon as possible. It makes it easier to go in reverse or go forward. It makes it way easier. When I need to park, this is the easiest thing to park when I need to park it. Totally easy to park compared to study reaching down or study kicking back and forth to try to get this thing to reverse or go forward. This jockey shifter is a lifesaver. Go out. I say you get it. Some of the people in my crew or whatever, in my bike crew, they're like, oh, especially some of the girls, they're like, oh, that's kind of old fashioned. Some people think it's a stick shift. It makes the bike into like you're changing gears or something. So some people think it's kind of cool. I've even seen people twist this knob off right here and put an 8-ball or put some other type of thing on here. So you can twist this off and you can put whatever kind of shifter knob that you want on it. Again, it makes it easy to park. Now, for you guys that put speakers right here, most of the time you guys are drilling your holes and putting speakers in here. It is very hard to put speakers on this bike and still have a jockey shifter. I have seen people doing it, but the only thing is they have to drag this out and your shifter sits out. They have to bend it. Your shifter sits out way out here compared to it being a little, more tucked in. So don't get discouraged if your speakers are super big that's hanging off the side here and thinking you can't get a jockey shifter. You can still get one. And I've had mine for like a year on this bike. So I am endorsing this product 100%. It gets the C8 paid endorsement. Go out, get your jockey shifter. You see how easy it is to adjust. I had it for a year. It's been super sturdy. I haven't had any issues with it. I know some people get little grab bars and get other things down there for it. This is it. Go out, please get a jockey shifter. It makes this bike feel a lot cooler and it makes it a lot more convenient to deal with this bike by having one. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Hit that like button, please, on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. It only takes 1 second. Hit that notification bell so you can get CA Pay future videos and keep in touch with the channel. Stay up with me. I'm going to keep producing quality content to answer questions that you guys have and to show you cool things. Until next time, my friends, CA Pay out.